Federal government files fresh 110 billion naira fraud charges against Yahaya Bello. In a significant development, the federal government launched fresh legal action against Yahaya Bello, the former governor of Kogi State. A new 16-count charge has been filed before the Federal Capital Territory High Court in Abuja, accusing Bello of criminal breach of trust involving a staggering sum of 110.4 billion naira. The charges, which violate Section 96 and 311 of the Penal Code Law, Cap 89, Laws of Northern Nigeria, 1963, also implicate two officials from the Kogi State government, Abdulsalami Udu and Umar Oricha. According to the allegations, the defendants misappropriated state funds from the Kogi Treasury to acquire high-value properties in exclusive areas of Abuja and Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The charges detail several property acquisitions, including a 950 million naira property on Danube Street, Maitama, Abuja in 2023, a 100 million naira property in Gwarinpa 1 District, Abuja in 2021, a 920 million naira property on Justice Chukwudifo Oputa Street, Asokoro, Abuja in 2020, and a 170 million naira property on Manzini Street, Wuse Zone 4, Abuja in 2022. This case represents a significant escalation in the ongoing investigation into alleged financial misconduct during Bello's tenure as governor. As this story unfolds, NaijaNews TV will update you on any development on this high-profile case. Stay tuned.